In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code your calendar in Notion. So you might want to give yourself a little bit more organization in your Notion window. So I'm going to teach you how to do that, and it's pretty easy. So before I get into this video, I just want to say make sure you watch this video from the start to the end and pay close attention to ensure that you get all the steps correct and you don't mess anything up, because if you do, then you may end up doing something you don't want to do. And Notion is a bit annoying with changing things. It can be a bit difficult. So let's get right into this. So I'm going to create a calendar here. I'll say timetable. I'm going to put the calendar view. I'm going to create a new data source. So I'm also going to do another view here, and I'm going to say table. So in here we can put some stuff in. So dinner. So what we can do here is we can go to we can add a tag here. So let's say fun, for example. What we can do is we can right click on this. We can go to edit property, tags, and we can change the color here. So we can change this. So all the colors are a little bit like not very vibrant, but you can change it here to like blue, for example, and you can change that there to blue. We can edit the name property. You can't change the color on this one, unfortunately. I can add another one. I can say work. I can add work as the tag, and I can change the color of this tag to gray. And if over here I want to add something else, I can add like person, for example. So let's say Sarah. Okay, we have to have people in our thing. But you can color code the people as well if you'd like to. Like you can go edit properties, and you can color code them here. We can also create like a few different things like statuses. So you can change the color of a status like this. So we can say in progress, for example, and we can right click on that, edit property, tag. Oh, edit property, status, edit property. So then you can change the color on here, for example, if you'd like to. You can set it to red or pink or whatever color you basically want it to do. That's basically to the extent that you can do it to. Then when we come over here, if I put like a date on this, let's say today. If I put a date on this, it's gonna show the colors when I click on it. That's basically to the extent that you can color code it. You can add little icons as well, which is obviously quite good. But that's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that this helped. Thank you for watching.